Ever wondered how to make your travels unforgettable? We're sharing ultimate travel hacks for an incredible adventure. Stay tuned and let's dive into our first travel hack. Packing efficiently is the first step to a stress-free travel experience. It all begins with a well-thought-out plan. Start by laying out all the items you think you'll need. Then, be ruthless in trimming down the pile. Remember, you're packing for a trip, not translocating your entire wardrobe. Now let's talk about the art of rolling clothes. Instead of folding, try rolling your clothes. This method not only minimizes wrinkles, but also maximizes space. And it's not just for t-shirts and jeans. You'll be surprised how much space you can save by rolling your socks and underwear too. But what about those pesky, bulky items? That's where packing cubes come into play. These little lifesavers allow you to group similar items together, making them easier to find and also saving you precious space. And here's another pro tip: use the dead space. Those shoes aren't just for walking, they're perfect for storing small items like chargers or socks. Remember, smart packing saves space, time, and hassle. So pack smart and get ready for your unforgettable adventure. Traveling doesn't have to break the bank. Here's how to save money. Let's start with flights. The key is flexibility. Be open to flying at off-peak hours or on weekdays. Also, consider booking layovers as they can significantly reduce the price. Use flight comparison websites to find the best deals, and don't forget to clear your browser cookies before searching. You'd be surprised at how much this can affect the prices you're shown. Next, let's talk accommodations. Choose wisely. Consider alternatives to hotels like vacation rentals, hostels, or even campsites. If you're traveling with a group, splitting the cost of a rental property can often be cheaper than individual hotel rooms. Eating out can also drain your budget quickly. To save money, try to eat like a local. Street food is not only cheaper, but it's also a great way to experience the local cuisine. Also, consider visiting local supermarkets or markets to buy ingredients and prepare your own meals. Sightseeing can also be a major expense. To cut costs, research free or discounted admission days for museums and attractions. Many cities offer tourist passes that include entry to multiple attractions for one price. Walking tours are another great, affordable way to explore a city. So remember, be flexible, think outside the box, and plan ahead. These money-saving tips aren't just about being frugal, they're about making smart choices that enhance your travel experience. With these money-saving hacks, you can stretch your travel budget further. Staying safe on your travels is paramount. Here are some tips. Venturing into the unknown is the essence of travel, but it's crucial to balance that sense of adventure with a healthy dose of caution. Your safety and security should always be your top priority. One way to ensure this is by using hidden pockets. These are ingenious travel companions that can be stitched into your clothing or worn around your waist under your clothes. They're perfect for stashing cash, credit cards, and even passports, keeping them safe from pickpockets and in a place that's easily accessible to you. But what about those pesky tourist scams that can catch even the most seasoned travelers off guard? The best defense is a good offense. Research common scams in your destination before you go. Knowledge is power, and being aware of potential pitfalls can help you avoid falling victim to them. Finally, let's talk about those important documents. Your passport, visas, and identification are your lifeline when you're abroad. Keep them secure, but also make copies. Store these copies separately from the originals, perhaps in your luggage or even with a trusted person back home. In the unlikely event that you lose the originals, you'll have a backup plan. Remember, your journey is about exploring and experiencing new things, but you want those experiences to be positive. Take precautions, be aware of your surroundings, and always keep your wits about you. Safety first, adventure second. Traveling light doesn't mean leaving essentials behind. Let's dive into the must-have items that will make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. First up, a portable charger. This little lifesaver is a game changer. When you're out exploring, the last thing you want is a dead phone. With a portable charger, you can keep your devices powered up and ready to capture those unforgettable moments. Next, don't forget a universal adapter. Each country has its own plug type and voltage, and a universal adapter ensures you can charge your devices wherever your travels may take you. It's a small item, but believe me, it's a big deal when you're in a foreign country with a different plug system. And let's not forget the humble travel pillow. It might seem like an unnecessary luxury, but after a long flight or a bumpy bus ride, you'll be thankful for that added comfort. There are plenty of compact, lightweight options out there that won't take up much space in your luggage. And while we're on the topic of comfort, consider packing a lightweight blanket or a scarf. They can double as a privacy screen, a makeshift towel, or an extra layer when temperatures drop. How about packing a reusable water bottle? It's eco-friendly, keeps you hydrated, and can save you money on buying bottled water. Last but not least, don't forget a good book or an e-reader. Long journeys offer the perfect opportunity to catch up on your reading. These essentials will make your journey more comfortable and hassle-free. Respecting local customs and etiquette is key to a rewarding travel experience. As travelers, it's our responsibility to show respect and understanding towards the cultures we're privileged to explore. This means taking some time to learn about local customs and traditions before we hit the road. In Japan, for instance, it's considered rude to eat while walking in public. So, even if you're on the go, find a spot to sit down and enjoy your sushi roll. Over in Thailand, the head is considered the most sacred part of the body, so never touch a Thai person's head, even in jest. In the Middle East, always use your right hand when eating or handing something to someone, as the left hand is traditionally used for personal hygiene. And when you're in France, always greet shopkeepers with a friendly bonjour before you start perusing their wares. These small gestures of respect can greatly enhance your travel experience and build bridges of understanding between cultures. Remember, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. To sum up, these travel hacks can transform your travel experience. From packing to safety, saving money, and respecting local customs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more travel tips and hacks. Safe travels.